In a quiet village, a wise elder often spoke of the volcano's secret. It's not just fire and ash, he would say, but a reflection of our own hidden passions. One day, a young thinker asked, "Why does it erupt?" The elder replied, "When we suppress our true desires, they build pressure, just like magma beneath the earth. Eventually, they must find a way out." The thinker pondered this, realizing that understanding one's inner self was key to harmony. As the volcano erupted in the distance, he saw it not as destruction but as a necessary release.